Alright, this is a quick look at the Breeze powered audio guestbook. So on the surface this might seem like it's just a handset that's sort of connected to the iPad acting as a microphone, but actually it's a lot more than that. So we have a Bluetooth controller in here that is interacting with Breeze, so when I pick the handset up, it starts the recording. When I hang it up, it stops it. Pick it up, hang it up. So let's leave a message.
Please leave your message at the beep. When you're finished recording, hang up the phone to save your message.
Yo, 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 just testing out the Breeze audio guestbook. Gonna leave myself a message, hanging up. So as I hang up, it instantly creates the video version of the message as well, and I mean instantly. So now we can go ahead and we can share it, we can send it to email, we could airdrop it, or we can SMS it if we had that set up. But because it's Breeze powering it, we can also do a little photo moment as well. So we can hit the photo button and pose for that. But the cool thing is we can now do a video audio guestbook that's integrated with the handset too. So if we tap video and we pick the handset up, we go into a video recording session.
Please leave your message at the beep. When you're finished recording, hang up the phone to save your message.
Yo, just leaving myself a video message, testing it out on the Breeze powered audio guestbook. We'll hang up, and that's now going to go ahead and create the video version of that audio message. So there you go, it's pretty cool. Because it's Breeze, you've got the power of it behind your audio guestbook now. So this is really, compared to the standard audio guestbooks we've been seeing for the last year or two, this is really next level stuff.